ho! Merry Christmas, one and all! December is a time of magic and fun, but most importantly of all for the gardener, it's a time to plan and get ready for the new growing season. The clop of hooves and the whiz of Santa's sleigh will get us all in the mood for the festive month. Now it's time to unwrap our latest Christmas Advent Calendar present.
Today, it's Gro-Rite Horticulture. Gro-Rite are the place to go for all your indoor and hydroponic growing equipment needs. The friendly team at Gro-Rite are experts in LED lighting and watering systems. Buying through Gro-Rite couldn't be easier with secure online ordering, fast and discreet UK shipping, and excellent customer support. Shop online at growrite.co.uk or in store on Burnt Mills Industrial Estate, Basildon, Essex. To celebrate the launch of Gro-Rite Horticulture's new website, listeners can get a 10% discount on purchases by using the code WELCOME10%.
There'll be another Advent Calendar present tomorrow, only on worldradiogardening.com. Come on, Rudolph, let's polish up your red nose and get ready to deliver those presents.